Now let's talk about editing the pin. So let's imagine you have some pin generated by BlogToPin for you, and everything looks good, but you don't like the text. Of course, you can adjust it. You can also adjust the time here, the date. You can also adjust the board as well here. If you want, you can adjust the alt text automatically generated. You can also specify how exactly the image should look like, so you can move it a bit. You can also adjust like the template you want, color palette you want to use it, and the template you want to use here. You can also clear everything and return it to the default state. You can also randomize to quickly like iterate through different results. It's basically the same as doing it here. Another important thing is that when you have like, for instance, let's go with this one. If you have if you understand that you don't like certain images, for instance, this one looks good but this one doesn't look good, and you want to replace it with this image, you just drag and drop this image here and it's done. And you can do the same here and it is also done. If you have a single image template, you don't need to drag and drop it. It wouldn't work this way, but you can just press it, yeah, and the image would get updated. And if you are satisfied, you can just schedule. You can also change the font. And you can also change even the color palette. So you can do basically a lot of adjustments here. You can see what we started with and what is the final result. So you can do it basically for like any template. Of course, if there are no other images, you can't replace it. But you can go here to the storage and add like custom images specific to this page if you want to adjust something. So you can, as I've said, you have a lot of flexibility in terms of what you want to do here and how you want to adjust it. And lastly, there are certain templates which have a short title instead of like, you can see that here there is a Pinterest title and there is like a custom titles. You can also adjust it, for instance, just like black leprechaun, and that's it. And you can also adjust like the Pinterest title as well to also be black leprechaun, and that's it. You can also go here through different pins to quickly like see if you like something or not. And yeah, I think that's it. See you in the next video.